Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to another Beastman review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Pokemon card pack Sword and Shield, the V-Star box. Picked it up. My sources really helped me out trying to find, help me find one. Because really curious on what's going to be in these. I'm going to be doing just 2 of them right now. I might do 3. You know what? I'll do 3. Really cool box, by the way. I really do like it. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to do 3 tonight. Ta-da! But before I do the video, I'd like to ask you to please consider liking me on Instagram at _robotic_beastman and on Twitter at @themightybeastman. And if you ever want to check it out, my Facebook group, Official Nerdell Beastman. So on with the video. I'll open up the first pack. Lucky Flick. Oh. I'll open it from this side. It feels a little bit more sturdier. And these are sealed really good. Oh, I ripped it. You know what? That's okay. It's just packaging. And just so you know, these are all in Japanese. So I'll be able to recognize some 3rd gen, but all 1st and 2nd. So this must be for the game, I'm assuming. Oh, I don't know. That's really interesting. Pretty cool. So there we go. I like the back. That's really cool. There we go. Don't know who that is. That's the other version of Corsola. Interesting. There we go. Oh, it's one of those fossil Pokemon. That's really cool. Don't know who that is. And I've seen this Pokemon a lot. I couldn't tell you who it is. Forgive me. Oh, hey. I have the English version of that one. So that's really cool. Awesome. I'm excited. On to the second pack. Let me know in the comments below who some of these ones are, or, if some of these are like really rare, because I'm not too up to date with a lot of the modern ones. I like the way that they have these newer cards. This must be another thing for the expansion pack for the game. That's really cool. These must be collector cards too, because I mean they're numbered. Interesting. Feebas, hey, recognize that. Interesting looking Pokemon. Very cool. Mr. Mime's Evolution. I'm assuming, yep, that's Mr. Mime right there. Huh, that's really interesting. I like that they give a lot of the older generation modern evolutions. Pretty cool. Another fossil type. Huh. Oh. Well, hello there. Oh, and cough. Oh, that's a really cool coughing. These ones, I have no idea about who these 2 guys are. But they both look really awesome. Really nice. But this coughing, they'll always have a special place in my heart. And the last pack for the night. Get these darn things open. Get out of here. At least you know that they're sealed good. It's the bright side to that. Oh, I'm such a tear it. Forgive me, Pokemon Lords in the Sky. I've never had this much problem. I mean, I've opened up Transformer figures that were a pain, but this, by all means, is pretty hassly. So, expansion pass. This has to be for the, yeah. That's got to be for the game. Okay. So RAM. A pretty cool looking version of the same Mr. Mime. The Galarian, I do believe. That's how you pronounce it. Interesting. That's pretty cool. Nice. That's, I think, Boss's plan. It's really cool. I'm not sure who that is. Again, I have to apologize. I'm not up to date with a lot of these newer Pokemon. I know I've said that in a lot of my other videos. But, I mean, that's pretty cool. I'll have to look up and see who that is. And an item. But you know what? Just for the heck of it, I'll open up one more. I can't say no. In fact, you know what? I'll open up two more. How about that? That's fair. Here, we get these things open. And get that Charizard. Hey! Good old Pikachu. And like a gym pass? Okay. Pretty cool looking. Broke. That's pretty cool. I don't know what that says, but that's interesting. Nice. Oh, okay. Okay, that's cool, but this has to be the coolest so far. Suicune. That's also Corsola. I'm gonna have to look into that one too. That dude looks pretty cool. The evolution of two different ones. They fuse. Interesting. And I recognize that because that became like Ash's Pokédex or something like that in one of the series. Okay, the last one. I promise this is the last one for the night. I can get this open. I know I'm having such a hard time opening these, but bright side, again, they're not dinged up or anything in any way. Pretty cool. There we go. Did it in view. Okay. I do believe I have the English version of this card somewhere. A Faux. That's that really cool. That's to be like an alternate version of Persian. Because it's the Galarian. Oh, name isn't rolling off the top of my tongue, but you know who this is. Fishing Rod, I think that's probably like Super Rod or the old Rod. That Pelican guy, I think I had him in my last video. And I can't think of what this one's name is, but reminded me of Pikachu, kinda. In fact, golly, I cannot think of these newer ones' names. They're just not coming to me. Doge. I think I have the English version of that one somewhere. There's that good old Pelican boy. Pelly boy. And I don't have this one yet. I have the pre-evolution, but that is it. These are going to be all the ones I'll be opening tonight. I will be doing more of these here in the near future. So, but this Suicune is magnificent. I'm really wondering what all else is going to be in these other packs I got. My source, he helped me out. And I'm extremely happy for getting my hands on some of these. But this Suicune is awesome. So this one's got to be like my top one. Check me out on Instagram though, at the with an A_robotic_beastman, and on Twitter I'll be posting pictures of the cards. So thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate all the love and support this channel's been getting, and I'm loving doing these Pokemon card videos. It's extremely nostalgic, and I hope you guys are excited to see what I get just as much as I'm excited to see what I get. So, thank you guys for watching, and remember to please consider like, sharing, and subscribing. It does help out a lot, believe me. So remember, gotta catch them all. Thanks for watching. Bye.